Welcome to the gatherings at Bel Aire Lakes in the heart of Absecon, New Jersey, a premier 55-plus community where modern convenience meets timeless charm. Today we're excited to present to you 18 Delray Lane, beautifully appointed 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse. Perfectly balances comfort, style, and low-maintenance living. The gatherings at Bel Aire Lakes isn't just a place to live, it's a place to call home. Built by Beazer Homes, this community was thoughtfully designed to offer an exceptional lifestyle for active adults. Established in the early 2000s, the gatherings has since become a sought-after destination for those seeking a serene environment without sacrificing proximity to local amenities. Absecon itself boasts a history that dates back to colonial times, offering a unique blend of historical significance and modern-day appeal. The town was named after the Absecon Native Americans and has evolved from a quiet farming area into a vibrant residential hub. Today, Absecon is known for its small-town charm, rich cultural history, and proximity to the Jersey Shore, making it an ideal location for the gatherings. Just around the corner is the vibrant entertainment and dining of Atlantic City and the pristine beaches of Brigantine. All right, so now we're inside the clubhouse here at Bel Aire Lakes, and this is a beautiful space here, meeting space. We have a kitchen area used for community events. Coming back here, we have a multi-purpose area here, card room, game room, dining area, bathrooms here, billiard room, and a fitness center. So welcome inside 18 Delray Lane, and this is a really beautiful setup here for a townhouse. You come in this beautiful foyer, hardwood floors. So right off that front foyer area, we have a spacious living room, a lot of great light, natural light coming in here. We have tray ceilings with crown molding. It's just a great space to relax. So in this section, we have a dining room right off of that foyer. And the neat thing about this, we actually have a 2-story ceiling up here, and that overlooks the loft area above. So really a spacious feel in this dining room. So here we're stepping inside the eat-in kitchen area, and this is a beautiful space. You have plenty of counter space. You have the large cabinets, a tall cabinetry here, great window looking outside above the sink, gas stove, and even a pantry area here as well. So right off the kitchen area and heading to the back of the house, we have a office space here, a really nice flex room here. You can use it as an office, as a den. We have a laundry room with a laundry sink, a half bathroom, and then the owner's suite right behind me. So downstairs we have the owner's suite and that bonus room. Upstairs we have another full bedroom, full bathroom, and loft. So upstairs we're in the loft space. This overlooks the dining area down below. We have a bedroom up here, full bathroom, large storage closet, and a large utility room with plenty of storage in there as well. 18 Delray Lane offers not just a home, but a lifestyle. With 2 spacious bedrooms, a cozy loft, and a 1-car garage, this townhouse provides the perfect space to enjoy all that the gatherings at Bel Aire Lakes has to offer. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful afternoon by the lake, or meeting neighbors at the clubhouse, or exploring the rich history of Absecon, you'll find that this community truly embodies the best of 55-plus living. Contact us today to schedule your private tour of 18 Delray Lane, or if you need help buying or selling a home, let us know. We'd be glad to help. And if you're looking for 55 and over communities, you'll want to consider Four Seasons Smithville. It's a larger community with more amenities than Bel Aire Lakes. Check out the pros and cons video right here.